Kenji from Japan was the smartest programmer at his tech company in Silicon Valley. He solved problems nobody else could solve. But during team meetings, colleagues would zone out when he spoke. His thick Japanese accent made presentations painful to follow. Despite his genius-level skills, he was passed over for promotion 3 times because people could not understand him clearly. Your English vocabulary is excellent. Your grammar is perfect. But your accent makes people work too hard to understand you. They smile politely while struggling to decode what you are saying. Your thick native accent is like a wall between your brilliant ideas and your listeners' understanding. Here is the brutal reality. In English-speaking countries, your accent determines how smart people think you are within the first 30 seconds of meeting you. Fair? No. True? Absolutely. Today I will teach you the reduce system. 7 scientifically proven steps that will minimize your native accent and maximize your English clarity in just 45 days. You will not lose your identity or become a different person. You will simply remove the barriers that prevent people from hearing your true intelligence. By the end of this video, you will have a complete roadmap to accent reduction that actually works fast. Let me tell you what happened to Kenji after he learned this system. He spent 45 days using the reduce method religiously. Same technical knowledge, same problem-solving abilities, but completely transformed accent clarity. His next team presentation was a revelation. Colleagues leaned in instead of tuning out. They asked follow-up questions instead of politely nodding. 6 months later, Kenji was promoted to senior architect with a 40% salary increase. His manager said, "Kenji, your communication has become so clear and confident. We finally understand the depth of your expertise." That is the power of accent reduction. It does not change who you are, it reveals who you have always been. Why do some accents sound thicker than others? 3 factors make native accents stick like glue to your English. First, muscle memory from your native language. Your tongue, lips, and jaw have been moving in your language patterns for decades. These muscles resist English movement patterns automatically. Your mouth is literally fighting against English sounds. Second, sound substitution habits. Your brain replaces English sounds with similar sounds from your language. Spanish speakers turn V into B. Chinese speakers struggle with R and L. French speakers add vowels where none exist. These substitutions are unconscious and automatic. Third, rhythm and melody interference. Every language has its own music. Spanish is syllable-timed like a drum beat. English is stress-timed like jazz music. When you speak English with your native rhythm, you sound foreign instantly, even with perfect individual sounds. Maria from Colombia discovered this truth painfully. She spent years perfecting English sounds one by one, but she still sounded heavily Colombian because she kept Colombian rhythm patterns. Native speakers could identify her nationality immediately because her English followed Spanish musical rules. The reduce system introduction. The reduce system targets the root causes of thick accents, not just surface symptoms. It retrains your mouth, brain, and breathing patterns to work harmoniously with English instead of fighting against it. Our retrain your mouth positioning systems, E, eliminate sound substitution patterns. D, develop English rhythm naturally. U, unlearn native language interference. C, copy target accent models precisely. E, extend practice into daily conversations. This system works because it addresses accent reduction like athletic training. You cannot become a great tennis player by reading about tennis. You must retrain your muscle memory through systematic practice. Accent reduction works exactly the same way. Step 1. Retrain your mouth positioning systems. English mouth positions are completely different from most languages. English speakers keep their tongues lower and flatter. They open their mouths wider. They use more dramatic lip movements. Your mouth needs English training. Start with the English neutral position. Relax your jaw completely. Let your tongue lie flat and low in your mouth. Keep your lips slightly apart and relaxed. This is your English starting position for every sound. Ahmed from Morocco had an extremely tight mouth from Arabic speech patterns. Arabic requires precise, controlled mouth movements. English requires loose, relaxed movements. Ahmed spent 15 minutes daily practicing English mouth relaxation exercises. His accent clarity improved dramatically within 2 weeks. Basic mouth retraining exercises. A jaw drops. Open your mouth as wide as possible, then relax to neutral position. Repeat 20 times. A tongue releases. Press your tongue against your teeth, then let it fall flat and low. Repeat 20 times. A lip stretches. Smile widely, then relax to neutral position. Repeat 20 times. These exercises reprogram your mouth muscles for English movement patterns instead of your native language patterns. Step 2. Eliminate sound substitution patterns. Every language background has predictable sound substitution patterns. Identify your specific substitutions and attack them systematically. Common substitution patterns. A Spanish, V becomes B, J becomes H, S becomes ES. Chinese, L becomes R, H becomes S or Z. A French, H disappears, H becomes Z or S. German, W becomes V, H becomes S. A Russian, W becomes V, H becomes S or Z. Hassan from Lebanon had 3 major substitutions. H became S, V became F, and P became B. Instead of trying to fix everything at once, Hassan focused on 1 substitution per month. This systematic approach eliminated his substitution habits. Permanently record yourself reading a text that contains your problem sounds. Circle every substitution mistake. Focus on eliminating 1 substitution pattern completely before moving to the next one. Quality over quantity always wins. Step 3. Develop English rhythm naturally. English rhythm is the secret weapon of accent reduction. Master English rhythm, and people will think your accent improved dramatically even if your individual sounds stay the same. English uses stress-timed rhythm. Important words get stretched and emphasized. Unimportant words get compressed and reduced. I want to go to the store tomorrow. The capital words are long and clear. The small words are fast and mumbled. Elena from Russia spoke English with Russian rhythm patterns. Every syllable equal length and stress. This made her sound robotic and foreign. When Elena learned English rhythm patterns, native speakers immediately noticed her improvement. Practice English rhythm with news headlines. News writers use perfect English stress patterns. Read headlines aloud, exaggerating the stress words and racing through unstressed words. President announces new trade deal with China. Stretch the capital words. Compress everything else. Step 4. Unlearn native language interference. Your native language creates invisible interference patterns that sabotage your English accent. You must identify and consciously override these automatic habits. Breathing interference. Some languages use chest breathing. English uses diaphragm breathing. Some languages use short breath groups. English uses long breath groups. Intonation interference. Your language melody automatically transfers to English. Spanish intonation sounds excited in English. German intonation sounds angry in English. Japanese intonation sounds uncertain in English. Tempo interference. Your native speaking speed conflicts with English timing patterns. Fast languages make English sound rushed. Slow languages make English sound sluggish. Carlos from Spain had to unlearn Spanish excitement patterns that made his English sound aggressive. Identify your specific interference patterns by comparing recordings of yourself to native speakers discussing the same topic. Step 5. Copy target accent models precisely. Choose one native English speaker whose accent you admire and want to copy. Not multiple speakers, one specific person. This becomes your accent model for intensive imitation training. Your model should match your goals. Business professional? Choose a news anchor or CEO. Academic career? Choose a university professor or researcher. Creative industry? Choose an actor or presenter from your field. Yuki from Japan chose Anderson Cooper as her accent model because she wanted to work in American journalism. She studied his mouth movements, rhythm patterns, and intonation melodies. After 6 months of precise imitation, people started saying Yuki sounded like a news broadcaster. Imitation technique. Choose 5 sentences your model says frequently. Practice these sentences until you can match their accent exactly. Then gradually apply these patterns to your own speech. Your brain will automatically generalize these patterns to new sentences. Step 6. Extend practice into daily conversations. Accent reduction fails when practice stays in the practice room. You must transfer your new accent patterns into real conversations with real people. This step separates successful accent reduction from wasted effort. Start with low-pressure conversations. Practice your improved accent with strangers in shops, restaurants, or on phone calls. These people have no expectations about how you should sound, so there is no performance anxiety. Gradually extend to higher pressure situations. Use your improved accent with colleagues, friends, and family. This requires courage because these people know your old accent and might comment on changes. David from Germany made this mistake initially. He practiced accent reduction privately for months but never used it in real conversations. His accent stayed exactly the same because he never activated his new patterns under social pressure. Real conversation practice forces your brain to make new accent patterns automatic instead of conscious. This is where accent reduction becomes permanent. Let me share 3 incredible accent reduction transformations. Sofia from Italy moved to London for her dream job in fashion marketing. Her thick Italian accent made client presentations challenging. Clients loved her creativity, but struggled to understand her proposals. Using the reduce system, Sofia focused on eliminating her strongest Italian patterns, adding vowels after consonants and using Italian rhythm. 6 months later, clients stopped asking her to repeat herself. Her clear communication led to promotion as creative director. Park from Korea was a brilliant medical researcher, but his accent made conference presentations difficult. Audiences could not follow his groundbreaking research because his pronunciation was unclear. The reduce system helped Park eliminate Korean sound substitutions and develop American academic speaking patterns. His next conference presentation received a standing ovation, and he was invited to speak at Harvard Medical School. Anna from Poland worked in customer service but received complaints about her accent making phone conversations difficult. Her job was at risk because customers requested transfers to someone easier to understand. Using reduce techniques, Anna transformed her accent clarity completely. She became the top-rated customer service representative and was promoted to training manager for international employees. Here are 3 advanced secrets that accelerate accent reduction dramatically. Secret 1. Focus on vowel clarity over consonant precision. Native speakers tolerate consonant mistakes easily, but vowel mistakes make you sound foreign instantly. English has more vowel sounds than most languages, and getting them right creates immediate accent improvement. Secret 2. Master connected speech patterns before individual word pronunciation. Native speakers blend words together in predictable ways. What do you want becomes what do you want? Learning these connection patterns makes you sound more natural than perfect individual word pronunciation. Secret 3. Record yourself having real conversations, not reading texts. Reading pronunciation is different from speaking pronunciation. Your accent shows up most clearly in spontaneous conversation, so that is where you need the most practice. Here are 3 challenges to accelerate your accent reduction transformation. Challenge 1. The Mirror Modeling Challenge. Spend 20 minutes daily copying your accent model in the mirror. Watch their mouth movements on video, then copy them exactly while watching yourself. Visual feedback accelerates muscle memory development. Challenge 2. The Conversation Recording Challenge. Record yourself having the same conversation twice, once with your natural accent, once using your improved accent patterns. Compare the recordings weekly to track your progress and identify remaining problems. Challenge 3. The Stranger Feedback Challenge. Ask strangers to guess your nationality based on your accent. If they guess correctly every time, keep practicing. If they start guessing wrong or saying, "I cannot tell," your accent reduction is working successfully. Accent reduction is not about losing your identity. It is about gaining clarity, confidence, and career opportunities. Your ideas deserve to be heard and understood without barriers. Remember Kenji from the beginning? His technical brilliance was always there, but his thick accent hid it from colleagues. Accent reduction revealed his true capabilities and transformed his career trajectory. The same revelation awaits you. Your accent reduction journey starts with awareness, continues with practice, and succeeds with persistence. Every day you delay is another day your accent. Accent limits your potential. Choose one step from the reduce system and commit to it this week. Progress happens gradually, then suddenly. Small daily improvements create dramatic monthly transformations. If this video opened your eyes to accent reduction possibilities, type reduce in the comments and tell me which accent challenge affects you most. I read every comment and provide personalized strategies. Subscribe to Sound of English for more fast English improvement strategies. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a video that could unlock your English potential. Your accent reduction journey begins now. Start practicing the Reduce system today. Transform your thick accent into your clear English voice. You have got this.